Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. I am back again with a delicious recipe. Today I am going to show you how to make Zarda Pulao. It is also called Meetha Chawal or sweet rice, loaded with lots of dry fruits and full of flavors from saffron and rose water. It goes very well with spicy paneer sabji or any non-veg curry. Some people use food color in this recipe. I am not using any food color here. I am using only saffron. If you want to use food color here, you can add red food color or yellow food color. We need few cashew nuts, raisins or any other dry fruits, few finely sliced dry coconut pieces. Heat ghee in a pan. Add coconut, cashew nuts and raisins and fry. When browned, remove it in a separate plate and keep aside. Now we need cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaves. In the same pan, add bay leaf and all the whole garam masala. We need rice now. 2 cup basmati rice I am using here. I soaked in water for 20 minutes. Add the rice now. Fry the rice in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. We need saffron now. I soaked 1 pinch of saffron in warm milk. Add the saffron. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes more. Add salt now. Now add water. For 2 cups of rice, I am using 4 cups of water. Cook until rice is 80% done. Cover it with a lid. Our rice is 80% cooked now. Now add sugar in the rice. I am using half cup of sugar here. If you want more sweet, add 1 cup of sugar. Add coconuts and dry fruits. Gently mix. Cover the pan with tight lid and simmer on very low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Our Zarda Pulao is almost ready now. Now we need rose water. I am using half tablespoon of rose water here. Our Zarda Pulao is ready now. Switch off the flame and cover it with a lid. Transfer the Zarda Pulao in a serving bowl and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Enjoy Zarda Pulao with your favorite curry.